Getting familiar with acupuncture. As with anything in the natural health world, there is a lot of misinformation that is surrounding acupuncture. As a matter of fact, many people miss out on the benefits of acupuncture because they understand it to be something that it is not. If you're unfamiliar with acupuncture but think that you could benefit from some of the services that they provide, here is some information to help you to cut through the noise and find out the truth. Acupuncture was started some 5,000 years ago in ancient China and was a way to regulate the energy that flowed through the body. This energy, known as qi according to Chinese medicine, is present in all living things. Whenever it becomes imbalanced, however, it can cause problems for us as individuals that range from mild symptoms to severe disease. Acupuncture came along as a way to regulate the energy and to open up the channels that allow the energy to flow through our body normally. Since that ancient time, acupuncture has come a very long way, but they still adhere to many of the same things as the original natural medicine. Some of the differences include the fact that it does go along with modern medicine, and the techniques that are used include such things as sterile needles and environments in which the acupuncture is performed. Whenever you make your first trip to the acupuncturist, you will be given an interview by the doctor in order to find out exactly what you need and exactly where you stand as far as your health is concerned. They will ask you many questions and you will have the opportunity to give feedback and ask some questions of your own. Take this opportunity to become familiar, both with the doctor and with the practice of acupuncture in general. The actual procedure is probably nothing like you had considered before you understood what it was. The needles that are inserted into your skin are hair thin and it rarely ever hurts at all. As a matter of fact, many people experience relaxation or rejuvenation as a result of the needles being inserted. If there is any pain involved, it is very temporary and light. Although you may go in for a dozen acupuncture treatments for your problem, many people experience relief after the first treatment. They leave the office feeling rejuvenated and with a general sense of well-being.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.